Welcome to day 4 of my free 5-day breathing challenge. And today I want to practice subtle breathing. So, studying this book with Rothenberg, Restoring Prana, I am changing my breathing so much that this is why I made this challenge, because of this practice that I'm inviting you to do with me today, subtle breathing. So I'm planning on teaching you, and I invite you to learn how to make the breath subtle by reducing the rate and the volume. It's challenging to do. This practice affects your autonomic nervous system, it affects your blood chemistry. And as you get more comfortable with this, you can sprinkle it throughout your day as a practice and become aware of your breath and the state of your mind and the state of your body. My idea here, the idea is here is that breathing is like portion control, and we can become accustomed to higher volumes of air. And so I'm inviting you to do this with a high degree of introspection and attention. This is straight from the book Restoring Prana. Don't try and force or push the breath in a way that causes stress. We're wanting to read our own level of tolerance, that kind of breath starvation. So I invite you to bring one hand to your chest and the other hand just below the front of your rib cage in the area of the solar plexus. And if your arm position is comfortable, you can stay like this. If it's not comfortable, get some pillows under your arms to prop the arms up. And so you can totally relax the back of the neck and the shoulders. So breathe softly through the nose, pacifying the muscles of the chest. So there's no movement of the upper rib cage and there's no tension in the neck. Just emphasize a soft lateral flare of the lower ribs as you inhale. And then emphasize a gentle inward contraction with the exhale. Place your attention on the sensations of the breath moving through the nostrils. Make the breath lighter, as if you're making the breath invisible progressively. Visualize the subtle breath permeating every cell within you, as if you're inhaling space rather than air. The breath is silent. Movement is becoming less discernible with each cycle. Discover the soft edge of air hunger, where you're aware of a desire to take in more, yet you're not starving of air. The key to the practice is maintaining a sustainable level of air hunger without pushing yourself into the need to gasp or gulp more air. And the rate's going to pick up if you lower the volume too much. And then if you breathe beyond what's sustainable, the volume's going to increase. So find that tolerable level of low and slow, subtle breathing. Continue to breathe through the nose. Eventually, you can build your tolerance to sustain your subtle breathing for longer and longer amounts of time per round. invite you to experiment with this and see how it makes you feel. Thank you so much for exploring with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.